Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Colona, local and long distance movers near me. When you're ready to move 100 miles away or more, you need the right options, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. A move of 100 miles or longer is considered a long-distance move. Whether you're going one state over or several states away, we can help make your move so much easier. Our team will help ensure you get to where you're trying to go and get there faster. A good Illinois moving company can make a world of difference when moving locally. You might only be going one neighborhood over, but you still have to move everything you own. Even moving just one heavy item can be too much to handle on your own. With 3 Movers, you get complete local moving services. We can help you with packing, unpacking, storage, transportation, and anything else you might need. No matter how large or small you move, our team will get it done efficiently and save you time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Colona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.